Hello, hello, hello. It is Indy, and I have a riddle. What is always moving forward but can never go back? Time. And guess what time it is? Time for me to get a life, because I have all of this, books at my disposal, candles. I have it all, right? I have all these cool stuff. Yet here I am, baby face that I just shaved, and I'm bored. Maybe I should go for a motorcycle ride. I don't know. What if my hair was black? I wonder if it'd be cool. I kind of admire Asian men's hair. They get the straight black hair. It looks so cool. My friend Ben, he got some black hair too. Yeah, if he grew it out, he'd probably look pretty cool. Mine, I got the brown. I don't know. Brown's kind of, in America, it's pretty common. So it's always felt kind of boring. I guess maybe it's different, but, black hair would be cool. Like Neo from The Matrix or something like that. It's my neighborhood, though. Check it out. I love this apartment. One day, I don't know when, but one day, and yes, I always make my bed, military style. But one day, I can't be here forever. One day I'll lose this place, 2 years of my life. 2 years of my life I spent in this place. Building myself up, losing all that weight. Working out, gaining those muscles every day, you know what I mean? I still got a lot of work to do with that. Gotta hit the gym. But my ankle, I messed it up. So I gotta get it till it's back, fully healed. But, so much of my life has been spent in this place. 2 years, 2 good years, 2 of the best and hardest years of my life. And just the idea of moving out of here, like what would come next? It's scary, It's exciting. There is a reason to stay, though. There is somebody worth staying for. There is a dream worth staying for. A future in Vietnam worth staying for. I mean, it could be a place, or it could be the adventure, like really embrace a culture. Instead of a little bit of this, a little bit of that, like immerse in one for a long time. And see how that changes you, how it changes your psyche, your outlook on life, how you could earn the right to call yourself, American Vietnamese. When you can speak the language and know the culture and really have earned a spot to, contribute to the society here, and to be a good, successful, and just have something to offer. And my first year here, I've been such an American, and we American boys, what do? We we're just a bunch of James Deans, right? A bunch of rebels without a cause. We hate authority. We hate conformity. We hate being told what to do. And we hate ties. Well, no, I'm speaking for myself, but a lot of us do. And the ones who say they don't, they're lying. We've gotten kind of weak, lazy, and spoiled. Where we just want to chill, ride motorcycles, chase girls, shoot guns. Chase dreams. And I sit here, and I can't believe this is my life. I can't believe this is my life. Like I did it, like I did it. Like how many years did it take to to get this. And this is my life. I am in Vietnam. I am, 17,000 kilometers on the other side of the planet. Like, I did it. I'm in Vietnam. And sometimes, sometimes I just forget the fact that, like I'm here, like, I did it. Like, there's dudes back home who are flipping hamburgers. There's guys back home who are, I keep looking at the wrong ass. I guess the camera's right here. There's guys back home, and I'm not judging if you're flipping burgers, if that's your thing, whatever. I'm just saying, though, like, there's guys back home who are still, like, trapped to their vices, and guys in jail, and there's just, I'm here. I'm in my dream. I'm getting my health back. I'm getting back in shape, I'm starting to like what I see in the mirror. I'm starting to like what I feel up here. I'm starting to have a little hope that, like, maybe I can be something in life. Maybe I can be successful. I never thought I could. Like, how could I? Like, what did I have to offer? Anything. Besides just this will to never quit. If I would say one good quality about me is, like, I have a really, really, really good pain tolerance, in the sense of I just don't quit. I just keep trucking along until it's physically not possible. And yes, I am helped by family and friends. I couldn't do it all by myself. But the times when it is, like, make or break for me, when I have to walk alone, when it's time to go hungry, or to be alone, or to face the darkness, or to, look in the past, think about the future, like I do that. And this is my life. This is my life. And I don't know for how much longer. I don't know how much longer. Vietnam, how much has it changed me? And how much is this place forever changed the course of how I'll live my life, and how I'll see the world, how I'll treat people, how I'll see Americans. 40% of Americans are obese, unhealthy. How I'll see our food, just so much, our culture, our music, the duty of family, just a lot of lessons I've learned. Patriotism, which I've always had, that's nothing I struggle with, but a lot of my fellow Americans, though, they lack that, which I don't understand. You bunch of freaking pampered Nancy's who take liberty and your freedoms for granted. You sit there and you complain. You stand on the shoulders of giants who built this world for you, built that country for you, and yet you complain and tear it down and try to rewrite its history and blah, 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 blah. But you know what? You'll lose, because you just will. You're a small minority on Twitter, social media. But the people who actually do things and change the world, the people who actually make things happen, are the people like Elon Musk. Or the people like, not to flatter myself, but the guys who will travel to their side of the world. Or the guys like my dad who'll go to the war, serve his country. Or my brother, he's in the Air Force right now. Or Ben, signing up for college. Brother, being a good father. Jacob, Colton and Mason, the potential they have. Just we all got something. But anyways, I'm just blabbing because I'm bored. Just got done shaving and that sun felt good on my back. If you're wondering why I don't have a shirt on. And I'm ghostly pale. Like, freaking need to get some sun. It's like you get vitamin D. But anyways, happy 2 years. Love your dad, mom, grandma, grandpa. You know who? SMS, Grindy. Yeah, I got love for you. People of my past. Yeah, I care about you. Friends, Jonathan, if you ever see this, man. Melissa, I always love you. Shy, I got you. I always have a spot in my heart for you too. I'm glad that you're happy. All of you. I'm just blabbing on. I get kind of bored. So maybe you know what? I'm gonna go for a motorcycle ride. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's go get a motorcycle ride. Look how sunny it is out there. It is January. Oh, it's almost my birthday. It's my birthday in 5 days, 4 days. And it is warm enough where I could wear about a shirt, right? And I'm not even cold. And my windows are wide open. It tells you something about Vietnam. So, anyways, guys. Peace. Miss Quay, Ann, Sal, Tall, Josh, Sarah, everybody, all my friends from Anthony, all of you. Thank you. Thank you. Happy New Year's. Happy Tab. Bye.